Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys my October Ipsy. This is the look that I came up using the products in the October Ipsy bag, and I will have all the products listed below, both the Ipsy products and the products that I have that I just used. Let's just go ahead and dive right into it. The first product I didn't actually use, but it's the Marc Hydrating Coconut Oil and Shea Butter. This leaks, so I haven't been able to use it entirely, but what I have tried of it I do like is pretty much just coconut oil and other things. Cheaper alternative could be just coconut oil. I don't like to put a whole lot of oils in my hair, even though I should. It's just. The next product is that I actually used is the Hey Honey Chicken Treat Cream Concealer, which is, the name is perfect for October. I think it's in the shade Natural Tone. It's for normal to dry skin. I used it on blemishes and under the eyes, and I think that under the eyes it works a little better for than blemishes. It doesn't have a whole lot of pigmentation, but it does cover the under eyes. Will I be adding this to my everyday makeup bag? Probably not. It will be something fun that I can just dabble in here and there when I want to change it up. Then the next product is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. It says an airbrush silk pressed anti-aging finishing powder. It's just nothing super spectacular. I wouldn't really purchase a full size. I think my NYC loose face powder, this is better, but just my personal opinion. Next product is this. It's the Dirty Little Secret eyeshadow in the shade Bronzed. I really like Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics eyeshadows. They're just they have good pigmentation and they're easy to blend. But this shade in particular, I don't think I would gravitate towards this particular shade if I was just picking up an eyeshadow. I don't have anything negative to say about it except for the fact that the color, it just doesn't really suit me that well. This eye look, the eyes just look super small, and that's why I don't do a whole lot of smoky eyes on this channel or on me personally, because my eyes are already small enough. I don't want them any smaller. Last product for this, the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. I used it on my tight line and it goes on super smoothly. It's super black. I think this goes on smoother than the IT Cosmetics one, which I got in another Ipsy bag. And I've never tried these pencils before, so it was nice to try something new. That's everything that was in my October Ipsy. Overall, I'd rate it out of 3 out of 5 stars. Personally, it wasn't super whoa, but it wasn't meh. It was just in the middle. Cool. Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is under SassMaddieYT. So that's spelled terrible, Twitter and Instagram. And if you remember what you got in your October Ipsy, let me know what you got and let me know what you thought of it. Or let me know standout products, because you've probably had enough time to test it out, and you could probably say this I use on a daily basis. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.